Hey guys, welcome back to Viral Science Videos Debunked, and today we have another amazing video. So, as you would have seen in the intro, a guy opening a Coca-Cola bottle beneath a pool, and then there's just all these bubbles coming out from the Coca-Cola bottle. So essentially, inside of the Coca-Cola, there's lots of carbon dioxide dissolved in it, and that's why it's a fizzy drink. So essentially, when he opens it beneath the pool, all that carbon dioxide is just like, I want to get out of there. And so then they just start going up very violently. So this is why you just see, all the bubbles rushing up into the air. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Viral Science Videos Debunked episode number 2. This video was submitted by DJ Smooth on Twitter. So remember, if you have any videos that you would like me to explain, be sure to submit them or share them with me via my social media handles down here. And there will be lots of lovely videos for you to enjoy in the coming days. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching Everyday Life Science.